Hi everyone, this is Yari from Mermaid, and if you're using Cursor, Windsurf, or Antigravity, you might be wondering, does Mermaid work here too? The short answer is yes. All three support the Mermaid plugin, and the experience is nearly identical to VS Code. I already have a full deep dive on the Mermaid VS Code plugin, so in this video we'll focus on how to install the plugin in each editor and show some quick examples of it working. If you want more information on its full capabilities, feel free to check out the Mermaid VS Code plugin video. Now, Cursor, Windsurf, and Antigravity are all forks of VS Code, and that means that they share the same extension system, editor layout, and workflows. So once you know how to use the plugin in one of these, you know how to use it in all of them. Let's start with Cursor. From inside Cursor, I'll go to the Extensions panel, search for Mermaid, and from here I can install the plugin. And just like in VS Code, this should only take a few seconds. Once it's installed, you can optionally sign in to sync diagrams with your account, but other than that, there's no extra setup required, and you're ready to use it immediately. Next, here's Windsurf. The process is exactly the same. Go to Extensions, search Mermaid, and install. And finally, Antigravity. Again, same extensions marketplace and same installation flow. All right, so now that we know how to install the plugin, let's quickly dive into how to actually use it. Rather than repeating the same demos 3 times, I'll show this once inside of Cursor because it's the most popular, but it applies to all 3 editors. Here, I'll create a Mermaid file and create a simple diagram. Inside here, I can right-click and select Preview Diagram, which will open up a live preview of our rendered Mermaid diagram on the side. And then any changes that you make from in here updates the diagram, and it renders instantly. From inside the preview, you can pan around, zoom in and out, or export the diagram as a PNG or SVG. So this same live preview, editing experience, and interaction works in VS Code, Cursor, Windsurf, and Antigravity. One thing we can also do is connect our diagram to our Mermaid account. This requires you to be signed in, but when you are, you'll be able to seamlessly connect and sync your diagrams from your code editor to the website and vice versa. So from inside VS Code, where I'm signed into my Mermaid account, you can see I can view all of my diagrams that are associated with my account. I can link them in whichever file that I'm working on, or I can download them and preview them from inside my editor. All right, so back inside Cursor, what we can also do is ask the AI to create Mermaid diagrams from our files or just general prompts. Here, I'll just provide it a file from the Mermaid codebase and tell it to create a Mermaid diagram from it. Here you can see it created a .mmd or Mermaid markdown file. And similarly, as we did before, we can preview this diagram instantly. Zooming in and panning around, you can see it created a flowchart for us, giving us a visual representation of the file we just gave it. What makes this especially powerful is that many people use Cursor, Windsurf, or Antigravity for AI-assisted development, and Mermaid diagrams pair really well with that workflow. You can generate diagrams using AI like we just did, refine them visually, and still keep everything as plain text that lives in your repo. That means diagrams stay version controlled, reviewable, and always stay in sync with your code. If you want a full breakdown of everything the Mermaid plugin can do, like markdown support, error feedback, AI features, and advanced workflows, I've already covered that in a separate VS Code plugin video. Everything shown there applies directly to these editors as well. So whether you're using VS Code, Cursor, Windsurf, or Antigravity, Mermaid fits naturally into your workflow. You get the same diagrams, the same live preview, and the same text-based version-controlled approach no matter which editor you prefer. Mermaid works where you work. And if you have any questions or comments, just let us know. And thank you so much for watching.